The few inspection trips I have done in Acholi, in West Nile, and recently in Masaka, you can see some cases of lack of connection. First of all, corruption by some of the people. For instance, in Gulu, in one of the wards in the city, they never formed properly the parish circle. And why did they not form the parish circle properly? Because the headquarters stampeded them, said you must form circles by this time. And he gave them, I think, a short time or something like that. And because of that, a few people under the commercial officer and that crowd of people met and said they had formed a circle. They started demanding money to be paid back in Myoga in 4 months. 4 months. I came to know this from the intelligence. Why do you want people to pay back in 4 months? When I asked Kasoro, he said, no, some of them want to pay in 4 months. I said, this is a bit suspicious. This money we are putting is really a dynamite against all the parasites in Uganda. The money lenders who have been extorting money from people, these commercial banks, they are all worried about this money. Because this is cheap, affordable, and useful money. So they are trying to campaign it to make it fail. I don't want you to hear anybody paying back the Myoga money in less than 12 months. Myoga, you start paying back after 12 months. And the borrower decides whether to pay all the amount at a go or to pay in installments but finish within 24 months. That's my directive now, and I don't want any other debate on this. This is finished now. If I hear any deviation, you will see what I will do. Now, for the PDM, parish development model, because we are dealing with agriculture, the crops take time to mature. So for those ones, my directive is let them start paying after 24 months. And the borrower can decide whether to pay all at a go or pay in installments but finish in 36 months.